I am truly honored to receive this incredible recognition. Thank you to the College of Engineering leadership, Drs. Ayanna Howard and Andre Palmer, for the nomination, and to the Office of Research and the Office of Innovation and Economic Development for selecting me for the Early Career Innovator of the Year Award. I would also like to thank my department chairs, Drs. Samir Gadiali, Umit Ozkan, and Sai Maroy, for their ongoing support of my professional development. My long-term research goals center around developing new ocular biomaterials and drug delivery systems. I hope that our work at Ohio State will ultimately help patients struggling with vision loss. Of course, none of this would be possible without my exceptional students. I would like to thank all of my current and former students, especially PhD graduate Dr. Pengfei Zhang. Solving these problems is a team effort. I would like to recognize my collaborators, especially Dr. Matthew Orr for his valuable clinical insight, and Dr. John Lanuti for his materials expertise. Thank you to the Ohio Lion's Eye Research Foundation for their support. I'm also grateful to my mentors over the years for providing my training, spurring innovation, and advocating for women in STEM. The Reach for Commercialization program, particularly the efforts of Dr. Mary Uhas and Carolyn Crisafulli, were instrumental to my success. Thank you for inspiring me to pursue these endeavors as a junior faculty member. Many team members in the Office of Innovation and Economic Development have been incredibly helpful in facilitating commercialization. I would like to thank the team at Vitranu for recognizing our potential, licensing our technologies, and working on bringing new treatment options to patients. Last but certainly not least, I would like to express my gratitude to my family, especially my parents and my husband, Matt, for always believing in me and encouraging me to pursue my dreams. Thank you.